This is SIFTR, a silicone micro colander designed to make draining cans fast, clean and fuss-free. It fits securely to any standard size can, letting you shake free and flush out any residue inside, leaving only the clean food behind. Full-size colanders are great for straining pasta, but when it comes to canned food, they just make a mess and leave you with even more washing up to do. We designed SIFTR to solve this problem and have come to Kickstarter seeking your help to make this project a reality. But there's more. Through our testing, we've already discovered so many extra uses for SIFTR, from being used to easily make home cocktails, catching pips when juicing citrus fruit, straining mint and herbal teas, and even stopping your sink from getting blocked up. These are just a handful of the uses we've already put SIFTR to, and we know you'll discover even more. Because SIFTR is made of silicone, it can handle really high temperatures. It can be quickly and easily cleaned by hand or put in the dishwasher. Available from launch in 5 colour options, making up our bright tricolor and mono trio sets. We believe everyone will benefit from having SIFTR in their kitchen. So say goodbye to messy and bulky colanders and say hello to fast, clean and efficient cooking with SIFTR.